How's it going? Got the mad scientist look, I know. Just don't feel like cutting my hair. Let's go check it out. Hey, where's my wife? Venom. Punisher War Machine. Animal. Scorpion. I am Iron Man. That one helmet needs to. It's gonna work on the magnets to flip it up. Rubber band. Old Mando. New Mando. What am I working on? Oh yeah, Punisher War Machine, Iron Man hands, more Iron Man hands. Hello. That glue 74. That's for Venom's foam suit. Wolverine. He's a new addition-ish for this coming year, 2024. So Venom, War Machine, and I'm also doing Craven the Hunter as well as a fun one. This is for Rick Campbell, and yeah, he's supposed to be done for 2024 as well. So there you have it. That's my latest and greatest. All right, pause.